Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hello, food enthusiasts and fellow kitchen adventurers. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your go-to channel for discovering simple and delicious dishes from every corner of the globe. We know that life can get busy and sometimes you need a meal that's quick, easy, and uses ingredients you already have on hand. Today, we're focusing on something that everyone can relate to. Easy meals with common ingredients, perfect for busy days. Whether you're juggling work, school, or just the demands of everyday life, there are times when you don't have hours to spend in the kitchen, but you still want a tasty and satisfying meal. That's where easy meals with common ingredients come in. These meals are quick to make, require minimal prep, and use the types of basic ingredients that you likely already have in your pantry and fridge. In this episode, we'll explore a range of easy, delicious meals from different cultures around the world, all made with simple ingredients that are easy to find. From comfort food favorites to light, fresh dishes, these recipes are perfect for busy days when you need something fast but still want to enjoy great flavors. So, whether you're new to cooking or an experienced home chef looking for quick meal ideas, let's dive in and explore some no-fuss meals that will get you through even the busiest days. 1. Italy. Spaghetti, aglio e olio. Simple Italian perfection. Ingredients: spaghetti or any pasta you have. Olive oil, garlic, red pepper flakes, salt and pepper, fresh parsley optional, parmesan optional. Simple recipe: spaghetti aglio olio. Spaghetti aglio olio is a classic Italian dish that proves you don't need complicated ingredients to create something delicious. This dish relies on just a few pantry staples: pasta, garlic, olive oil, and red pepper flakes. It's perfect for busy days when you want something comforting and flavorful in minutes. Step-by-step preparation. Cook the pasta, bring a pot of salted water to a boil and cook your spaghetti or other pasta according to the package instructions. Prepare the sauce. While the pasta is cooking, heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add thinly sliced garlic and it until golden. Be careful not to burn it. Add red pepper flakes for a bit of heat and continue cooking for a minute. Combine. Once the pasta is cooked, reserve a little pasta water, then drain the spaghetti. Add it directly to the pan with the garlic and oil and toss to coat. If needed, add a bit of the reserved pasta water to help combine the sauce. Season and serve. Add salt and pepper to taste. Top with fresh parsley and a sprinkle of Parmesan if desired. Modern twist. Add protein. For a heartier meal, add grilled chicken, shrimp, or tofu for extra protein. Where to try it? Rome, Italy. The home of simple, flavorful pasta dishes, like aglio e olio. Italian restaurants worldwide, an Italian classic that you'll find on menus around the world. 2. Mexico. Quick tacos with everyday fillings. Ingredients: corn or flour tortillas, ground beef, chicken, or beans, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and cilantro, cheese, cheddar, or a Mexican blend, salsa or hot sauce, lime. Simple recipe. Quick tacos. Tacos are one of the easiest and most versatile meals to make with everyday ingredients. Whether you're using ground beef, chicken, or even beans, tacos are the perfect quick meal. These tacos take just a few minutes to prepare, making them ideal for busy days. When you want something satisfying and flavorful, step-by-step preparation. Cook the protein in a pan. Cook ground beef, chicken, or beans with a little taco seasoning or just salt, pepper, and chili powder until browned and cooked through. Prepare the toppings. Chop tomatoes, dice onions, and shred lettuce. Warm the tortillas. Heat your corn or flour tortillas in a pan, or microwave them until soft. Assemble the tacos, layer the cooked protein in the tortilla, and top with fresh veggies. Cheese, a spoonful of salsa, and a squeeze of lime. Modern twist. Add extra flavor. For an added twist, you can incorporate peppers or guacamole to make the tacos even more flavorful. Where to try it? Mexico City, Mexico, the birthplace of the classic taco, where street vendors serve them fresh and fast. Taco trucks worldwide, famous for their quick and tasty taco options. 3. India. Chana masala, chickpea curry. Ingredients: canned chickpeas, onion, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, canned or fresh garam masala, cumin, coriander, turmeric, salt and pepper, rice or naan optional. Simple recipe: chana masala. Chana masala is a flavorful vegetarian curry that's both quick and easy. With chickpeas as the main ingredient, you can make this dish in less than 30 minutes, and it's perfect for a filling meal that uses simple pantry staples. Step-by-step preparation. The aromatics: heat oil in a pan, and onion, garlic, and ginger until soft and fragrant. Add the spices, stir in the garam masala, cumin, coriander, and turmeric, and cook for a minute to allow the spices to bloom. Add the tomatoes. Pour in canned tomatoes or fresh tomatoes and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the mixture thickens. Add the chickpeas, add canned chickpeas, and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Serve with rice or naan for a complete meal. Modern twist. Add spinach or coconut milk. For added nutrition and flavor, stir in some spinach for extra greens, or add a splash of coconut milk for a creamier, milder version. Where to try it? Delhi, India. A city known for its flavorful vegetarian curries, like chana masala. Indian restaurants worldwide. A popular dish in Indian restaurants, especially for vegetarians. 4. Japan. Quick vegetable stir-fry with rice. Ingredients: rice, white, brown, or any rice you have. Mixed vegetables, fresh or frozen, like bell peppers, carrots, onions, and broccoli. Soy sauce, garlic, olive oil, or sesame oil. Sesame seeds optional. Simple recipe. Vegetable stir-fry. Stir-fries are one of the easiest ways to cook up a delicious, nutritious meal using just a few ingredients. This vegetable stir-fry is quick to prepare and pairs perfectly with steamed rice. Step-by-step preparation. Cook the rice. Cook your rice according to package instructions. You can use leftover rice if you have it to save time. Prepare the veggies. Chop your mixed vegetables into bite-sized pieces. If you're using frozen vegetables, there's no need to thaw them. Stir-fry in a large pan or wok. Heat some olive oil or sesame oil. Add garlic and for a minute. Then toss in the vegetables. Stir-fry for about 5 to 7 minutes until they're tender but still crisp. Season, add soy sauce and sesame seeds for extra flavor. Then toss to coat the veggies. Serve the stir-fried vegetables over the cooked rice. Modern twist. Add protein. For more substance, add tofu, chicken, or shrimp to the stir-fry for a well-rounded meal. Where to try it? Tokyo, Japan. Known for its stir-fried vegetables and simple rice-based dishes. Asian restaurants worldwide. A dish that's loved around the world for its quick preparation and vibrant flavors. 5. Greece. Greek yogurt with honey and nuts. Ingredients: Greek yogurt plain, honey, mixed nuts, walnuts, almonds, or pistachios. Fresh fruit optional. Simple recipe: Greek yogurt with honey and nuts. For a quick snack or a light breakfast, Greek yogurt with honey and nuts is both satisfying and nutritious. It's creamy, rich in protein, and can be customized with a variety of toppings. Step-by-step preparation: scoop the yogurt, spoon the Greek yogurt into a bowl, add the honey. Drizzle honey over the yogurt. Top with nuts, add a handful of mixed nuts like walnuts, almonds, or pistachios for a crunchy texture. Add fruit for extra sweetness. Top with fresh fruit like berries, bananas, or figs. Modern twist: add granola. For an extra crunch, add some granola on top for a satisfying bite. Where to try it? Athens, Greece, where Greek yogurt is a staple of everyday meals. Greek restaurants worldwide. A healthy and delicious dessert or snack that's perfect for any time of day. Easy meals with simple ingredients. From spaghetti aglio e olio to quick vegetable stir-fries. These recipes prove that you don't need fancy ingredients or hours of prep time to create delicious meals. Whether you're in the mood for something light and fresh or hearty and filling, there's a world of flavors waiting to be discovered with the ingredients you already have at home. Cooking doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. These simple recipes are perfect for busy days. When you need something satisfying and flavorful without the fuss, which of these meals are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Eats Uncovered for more quick, easy, and tasty meals from around the world.